Hello,
Yes, Master to John.
this is John.
Hey, John, this is Aries giving you a call from the Customer Care Center here in reference to your 2021 Spark on a recorded line.
Okay.
We were just giving you a call. We were alerted by the maintenance scheduler that your first service was due for your vehicle, the oil change and tire rotation, and we were just calling to go ahead and get that scheduled for you.
I just broke like 1,300 miles on it.
Right. Right. So the way it works is every 5 to 6 months. The way the maintenance schedule goes is it goes off of time, mileage, or percentage, whichever one comes first. We were alerted by time. So once it goes over the allotted amount of time, we get alerted that it's time for that service to be done. And since this is your first service, then that's why we got alerted.
Oh, okay. So I should get it done then, even though the mileage isn't there.
Correct. And then with everything going on with the holidays and everything coming, we've been jammed inside the service center. So we just want to guarantee that you guys have your spot as well. So even if we had to push it out a little into December, it'd be a lot better to get you in. It costs nothing to schedule the appointments or reschedule, and it's a lot easier for us to reschedule your appointment than it is to schedule a brand new one.
All right. Let's see. Probably not this Monday. Probably Monday after Thanksgiving. Would that be good?
Yeah, let's check on that. So just to verify everything, I have your email addresses.
Yep.
And we have you as.
Yep.
Said you had about 1,300 miles on it.
Yep.
I also searched your VIN number just to make sure you didn't have any open safety recalls or anything. So you're all good there. No open safety recalls. So that's a good thing.
That's good.
Let me see. Did you have a specific service advisor you would prefer to work with, or is anyone fine?
I haven't been there yet, so I don't know.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get you with Mark. Mark is great. He'll go ahead and take care of your vehicle. He's awesome. And are you going to be waiting around with your vehicle, or did you just want to drop it off?
I'll be waiting for it.
All right, great. So you're talking Monday the 29th, correct?
That would be after Monday after Thanksgiving, yes.
Yes, sir. So I have as early as 8 a.m. I have a 9:30. I have a 10 if you wanted to come in the morning. And then as late as I have is a 1:30.
You know what? Let's do the 9:30.
Sounds good. So I have you all set for 9:30 a.m. to get your oil change tire rotation with Mark. He'll get you all checked in. I'm going to send you a confirmation email with all of this information. And if you're running late or you just need to update this appointment in any way, feel free to give us a call. Is there anything else I can do for you today, John?
Yeah. How much does that service cost?
So I wouldn't know on my side the prices, but what I can do is I can go ahead and have a service advisor give you a call back, provide you all the prices before your appointment, so you'll know exactly how much that is.
All right, sounds good.
All right, sir. Well, I really appreciate all your time today. It was a pleasure, and you have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Bye-bye.